Alright guys, one of the most important things I want to talk about in air conditioning system is energy efficiency. And it's very, very important for AC systems to be installed properly. And part of installation is your distance away from solid surfaces and other systems. So typically in a cube style system, we need to be a minimal of 12 inches off of any surface area that is solid, and we need to be 2 feet 24 inches away from another air conditioning system. In inverter technology, those rules have changed. And we can be somewhere between 3 and 6 inches off the wall, and we can be within 1 feet of each other. However, this is not a clean room. It's not 95 degrees in the middle of summer. So I always recommend to our customers to let me get this off the wall as much as we can. Let me get them away from each other as much as they can so they're not stealing each other's air and they can breathe. And you can see, for example, in this situation, we've got a solid wall here and we've got a solid wall right here. So that's going to restrict airflow. And as both of these systems are running and they're discharging this heat, the heat's going to circulate in this area. So if you increase the temperature, then you increase the pressures. If you increase the pressures, you increase the amp draws. So I don't care how awesome our technology gets, I will always make sure that when we install our air conditioning systems, that we give our systems as much room as possible to breathe